Entaro z'itaka ryahika nkagana munana ziri hagati ya Pastor Stephen Kyebambe hamwe n'umugurisi w'emyaka 93 orukumanywanga Anatori Bijurwitima.
Atambikira yo yange niye. Kulumba tantahi yeyo. Ngo bakamutahi yayo. Kibanja kyange ta. Yahunira. Ngene mwakagingo.
I have known this land for all that time. And until like 10-12 years ago, it belonged to him. I don't know how it changed the hands, but I grew up knowing it's his land.
Omwaka oguhwire minisita n'omwe akaragiira ebyo kwerinda okukwata Pastor Kyebambe aha mishango 3 ogw'okutahirira itaka okubinga kifuba omugurisi hamwe n'okushiisha ebintu konka kihometara kimazire mu kabiri.
Bamukwate atalale mu nkomo akarugayo kirekyo ngwaku nga kutukumya akutuya muno atakutuya muno akora mutwa mwiri wako Kyebambe yarugo mu nkomo atalali mulamba Pastor Kyebambe ne kanisa ya Sumbe Kawala yajja nalimba nagamba nti kabaka omukama wabunyuru amuwadde ekifo kino ajja kirabirire nti kyabuwangwa kubanga waliwo mweso wano kaka omukama kabalega oli gumanyi oli w'amaanyi kweyajjanga na yeso omweso buno butuli bwejje najja na saa kakati obanga kabaka omukama Kyebambe omukama kabalega yajja era nga obw'obukama bwamuweereza wano then yandibadde atwala akantu kano n'asaba omwami ono nannyini ttaka ati amukkirize ng'ayitewo ajarabiri ekifo kye.
Bitu kandi kyashanga omugurisi Anatori ayine ekyapa ekiyatungira mu myaka 50 enyuma nuko kuragira ngu Pastor bagaruke bamukwate ahabw'okuba tino lyahiguriye ebiragiro.
Kyebambe akwatibwe okusinziira ku mateeka agugenyogeddeko abunaanibwe. This time sebala disi sagala kuwulira nti yakwatibwa ate n'atasulayo n'avaayo.
Honorable Minister, I have taken your orders very clearly concerning the alleged land grabbers, and as a DPC, I want to assure that we don't condone such acts, and I'm going to take serious action as guided. Thank you, Honorable.
Twacherra Pastor Kyebambe hasumu nuko kutugambira ngo narindi itaka lyabo ababito n'obuhangwa bwabo.
And falsely accused. I have never grabbed the land. It is my great grandfather's land. It's among us, one of the cultural sites. The rest I'm not ready to continue. I have never harassed the old man, and I have no intentions of harassing him. I have never evicted because he was not there. How do you evict a person who has no homestead, who has no what, and what purpose really? What should I have done that to an old man?
Itaka erukutonganirwa no proti nkagana munana broki 19 kandi hati Pastor Kyebambe akartekamente emiti hamwe n'ebihingwa ebindi gasha kwamburozi n'wagaba katoto.